25 times. She's going into our CJ program for March. She was very determined. She went through a lot of hoops. She made sure this is something that she really wanted to do, made sure her parents were supported before she committed to this, and that she had the support she needs. Like I said, she's shown her determination with laughing the whole entire way. Just, every time I was like, one more step, so she took it. So,
it's more like financial aid again.
Yes, one more time. Yeah, one more visit. So, but she was inspired by Gladys and Tommy. They're all here together. So they have I know you have a great support system, plus the other 3 people you know in other programs. So I want you guys to celebrate her commitment to this. So go ahead and ring the bell and let them know you're coming.
I'm coming, guys.
Well, thanks, Tommy, sister.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tommy, where you get those kicks, man? $20 over at Cool. Really?
Congratulations.